I'm Jessica. Today the video is about 2 quiet things that is nice to have when you're working from home. This is my opinion. First thing is about this quiet click mouse. If you can hear the noise of the mouse, it's really not much. If you hear from a normal if you hear from a normal mouse, this is the mouse I get from Amazon. You can hear a lot of noise from this one. And for this quiet mouse, but it does have a click sound when you're clicking on the middle mouse. And it does have these 2 small clicking. I think it's like forward and backwards, and then you can also hear the noise. But the main 2 click is no noise. I don't know for you, when I'm working from home, I actually feel, especially the clicking sound, drive me crazy sometimes. Especially when I editing video or something, when I can keep hearing myself like click, 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 I feel like, oh, stop it, but I cannot do anything to it. So at the end, I actually go and get one noise cancelling mouse. I won't call it noise cancelling mouse. It's like just like quiet mouse. They call it quiet mouse. So we actually quite happy with it so far. The only thing is that I must admit, you see this color changing? I personally think this is a very gamer thing. I can't find a way to remove the light easier. Actually, I found online people was talking how to download something and then you can install it and then remove the light, but I can't find it. Like, I can't find the easier way to like remove the light. But so far, because when you're using it, the hand just like grabbing it, I don't feel the bad thing. It's just like when I'm clicking it, it have no noise. It just makes the life easier. I don't know, I personally feel that way. I just like, I'm a bit driving crazy by the mouse clicking now. So the second thing that I having for quite a while, that which is a clock, that is a quiet clock. This is a clock from ikea. It's really plain, like there's nothing. I have them for quite a while. Actually, I personally like it this way. I know some people was like talking that we can actually pin something or something. I personally like it just plain like this, and then just this time telling that you can tell what time is this. I don't know, because I have a white wall, then I have a white clock. I personally like it a lot. If you have a normal clock, you can definitely at night, sometimes you hear the tick, 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 tick sound. That's also driving me crazy. I don't know why. It's just like, when they have this sound, I feel like, like, can I just turn it off the clock or something? I don't know. It just happened that way. I personally have 3 of this clock in my home, so it's actually quite nice and then no noise. Also, they're pretty cheap. If I don't remember wrong, they are under $3 in Canada. I remember it's like $2.75 or $2.99 or something like that. So it's under $3. So to me, this is a pretty good investment. And for sure, also the quiet mouse. Why I'm doing this one actually because I have a friend. I was talking to her that I buy a quiet mouse and I think it's really worth it and very nice. She was like, what's this quiet mouse? So I'm pretty sure it's still a lot of people that don't really know it quiet mouse so far, but this is a quite nice, I would say quite nice investment. So thank you for watching, and then I'll see you next time. So soon! Hi everyone! I actually like how my white clock on my white wall, actually it gives you a much more minimalist feeling to my feeling. And then this is my bedroom, and then it doesn't have the clicking sound. It makes it much more comfortable to sleep. So I personally like it a lot. Second thing is like, this is my 30-day challenge that is supposed to come out soon, and then hopefully to see you soon on that one too. See you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.